In today's world, the ability to concentrate is almost a superpower. Anyone who can concentrate for several hours on a single task is genuinely impressive. It's no surprise that people who can concentrate get a lot more done than others. There are various places where greater attention could be beneficial, but this is a difficult and time-consuming effort. It makes no difference if it's for school, study, work, or personal interest. If you can concentrate, you will be able to achieve your goals faster. After all, that is the major topic of today's video. Welcome back to Mindset Madness. In this video, I'll discuss what's preventing you from focusing and what you can do about it. Before moving straight into the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel Mindset Madness. And don't forget to click on the post notification bell icon to get all our video updates on the go. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. Now, let me begin by describing what true focus is, and how to get the most out of this video by grabbing a pen and paper and writing crucial topics at the same time. No, there are two types of focus. The first is scattered focus, and the second is directed focus. Scattered focus refers to attention that is dispersed throughout a large area. This level of focus is typical of a multitasker who's attempting to complete multiple tasks at once. Normal home chores such as cleaning the house while talking on the phone and cooking dinner are included in this task. You could say that involves someone who is attempting to focus on one thing while also thinking about something else. This is what the majority of people do. They divide their attention between a variety of topics and then complain about not being able to focus on one thing in particular. The issue with this style of focus is that your brain is terrible at switching between many tasks at the same time. You see, switching from one work to another is not a seamless transition. Your brain, on the other hand, must load the context of whatever you're doing into working memory. When you turn on your attention from one item to another all the time, your brain is forced to load and reload context over and over again, spending a lot of mental energy in the process. And this waste of energy can leave you weary and unable to accomplish much. For the second one, which is required direct focus, I did not approach another one. You can do it by focusing all of your concentration on a single task and dismissing everything else. This is what you should strive for, and it is how great performers focus their attention. That is, like a laser beam concentrating on one object at a time. In 2008, one particular activity was done to the best of one's skill and full capability while ignoring all other cues. To have good concentration, all we need to do is to have widely spread focus and adopt focused emphasis in our daily lives and decisions according to comprehension. But then the question becomes, what can you do to avoid having a dispersed focus? It's pretty straightforward. All you have to do is try to eliminate all distractions and stay away from any stimuli that could potentially affect your attention. Consider the following scenario. Assume you have 5 units of focus accessible at one time. That implies that you can do whatever you want with those 5 units. You may, for example, utilize them all in your assignment to establish directed focus. But why is it that while you're studying, your mother comes into your room and tells you that supper will be ready in 45 minutes? Even if you were completely focused on your task and your mother's involvement with you lasted only a few seconds, your attention is now split. Dinner will be on your mind and your concentration may be a little shaky. One of the concentration units was used on that, diverting your attention away from your studies. It will take some time for you to restore your focus and you will waste mental energy in the process. We don't normally think about it that way, but when we are studying or working on anything, we often feel as if our energy has been suddenly drained. This is our primary cause. The most likely reason for the scenery was that you had an equally destructive mother with you all the time, who did nothing but distract your attention to worthless stuff. Your phone may appear to be a little device, yet it is one of the world's largest anti-focus machines. It chimes, vibrates, and emits a sound every time you receive a notification. All it takes is one particular sound to divert your attention away from the task at hand and divert your mental focus onto something else. Even if your phone is on silent, you are highly likely to glance at it anytime you feel like it. In a nutshell, it's about dividing your focus. Of course, this does not indicate that you should toss your phone away. Rather, you can propose that if you need to concentrate on something, you place your phone somewhere where you know it will not distract you and you will not be able to glance at it. As a result, telephones are the only thing that can divert your attention. Anything can cause this, but your phone is most likely the most significant factor. The goal is to become aware of any potential distractions in the circumstance during a given 10 and avoid them. It appears to be straightforward, but it can't be that difficult. Now, this was all about focus, that why can't people focus on particular things, but now let's highlight some points as to how to fix this problem and be able to concentrate more. Here's a list of things that can help you improve your focus. Number 1, start with a short session. Your physiology could be influencing your capacity to concentrate. This is not something that is expected to happen frequently, but if you want your mind to work at its best, you must take care of your body. If you sleep less than 7 hours per day, your concentration will suffer. On the other hand, getting 7 or 9 hours of sleep has been shown to improve your ability to focus during the day. Exercise should also be done on a daily basis because it releases dopamine, norepinephrine, serotonin, and other neurotransmitters that aid in improving your focus and concentration on challenging activities. Number 2. Stay away from distractions. It's not about having a laser-like focus that allows you to work through a cyclone. When there are 20 distractions, it's impossible to concentrate. Make things as simple as possible for your thinking. Put earplugs in, turn off notifications, do whatever you need to do, because the more distractions you have, the more units of your mind are occupied, making concentrated focus difficult to acquire. Keep the phone at arm's length to accomplish this. Don't waste your time thinking about things that aren't even really linked to your job. Number 3. Short power naps. Power naps can help with sleep deprivation, but they can also help with creative problem solving, verbal memory, perceptual learning, object learning, and statistical learning, among other things. Math, logical reasoning, reaction times, and symbol appreciation are all aided by them. Napping improves our mood as well as our emotions of tiredness and exhaustion. Not only that, but sleeping is beneficial to our hearts, blood pressure, stress levels, and unexpectedly weight loss. As previously said, napping benefits alertness, learning, memory, and performance. Studies have shown that naps can help us regain our focus, improve the quality of our work, and reduce our blunders. It also boosts our ability to learn new things. Number 4. Meditate. Meditation is a technique for clearing your mind. All of our ideas take place in our minds, and we frequently have worried, concerned thoughts that affect our lives. The constant movement of our thoughts from a painful past to an uncertain future saps all of our vitality, leaving us exhausted, demotivated, and nervous. Meditation, according to Columbia University Medical Center researchers, can modify the structure and function of the brain by relaxing it, which can stress, anxiety, and sadness can all be reduced. Increase your learning attentiveness and focus. Yoga, which should be done first thing in the morning, is the best sort of prescription for enhancing focus. Number 5. Environment. Any natural setting has advantages. Science evidence is accumulating that natural settings have a favorable impact. Plants in the workplace have been shown to improve concentration and productivity, as well as workplace satisfaction and air quality, according to research published in 2014. Find a spot where you feel most at ease. It may be at work, at home, or in the library. Find the right fit for you. This is where you should work on honing your focus. Number 6. Reward system. If you're someone who enjoys working hard but struggles to stay focused, try rewarding yourself. This is a psychological technique for encouraging your mind to keep going and, as a result, improving your focus. Something pleasant that can make your day even better can be a reward. For example, after finishing an essay, treat yourself to your favorite meal. Perhaps it's a chance to take a long bath and watch TV. Praise yourself for a job well done. Let someone else know how well you implemented a new process and that you deserve recognition. Number 7. Improve sleep. Your brain accumulates information in your memory when you sleep, especially during deep sleep. That is, it sorts through everything you've done throughout the day and it stores it in order for you to remember it. If you don't, your brain will become crowded, affecting your concentration, memory, focus, and mood. Sleep and concentration go hand in hand because if you don't get enough sleep, your brain won't be able to keep or focus on anything, since one portion of your brain will always be engaged with thoughts of sleep. A well-rested person, on the other hand, is able to concentrate. 8. Preoccupied thoughts. You are unable to concentrate because your mind is busy. It indicates you're practically attached to several things that prevent you from focusing on one thing at a time. To improve concentration and focus, you must first lower the energy of those distracting thoughts in your mind. It is a difficult task that necessitates patience. Whatever thoughts are rushing through your head, think about them one by one for a few minutes, but don't give yourself any more time. Just decide after you've thought about them and then forget about them. You can clarify your thoughts and doubts in this way and get out of a preoccupied state of mind. Apart from that, a particular diet, regular exercise, staying away from too many people while working also fixes a person's attention span as well as his or her ability to focus and concentrate. That's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the Mindset Madness, and don't forget to click on the post notification bell icon to get all our videos and updates on the go. We'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe and thanks for watching.